Do you want to know how to make the battery of your phone last longer? So if you want to know how to make your phone battery last longer, this is a tutorial you want to watch to the end, because I know you definitely want to know. Carefully watch the end as I walk you through step by step on how to make your phone battery last longer. To make your phone battery last longer is easy and simple. Follow me as I walk you through. So all you need to do is to locate the settings of your phone. Okay, you tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, depending on the interface of your phone, okay, you go to anywhere that says battery. Okay, for mine is saying battery lab, so I'm using Android phone. On iPhone it might be a different interface. On some Android phone the interface might also be different. Okay, but just locate anywhere you see battery. Okay, so mine is battery lab. Tap on battery lab. So where you're going to go to is advanced settings. Okay, you tap on advanced settings. So once you tap on advanced settings, then where you want to go is here that says battery optimization. You tap on battery optimization. So once you tap on battery optimization, as you guys can see, not optimized. Okay, so tap on this arrow close to not optimized. So once you tap on this arrow and all apps, where you want to go is all apps. Tap on all apps. So once you tap on all apps, the first thing you're going to see here is optimizing battery use. Then you tap on optimizing battery use. So once you tap on optimizing battery use, under optimizing battery use, you're going to see recommended for battery life. Then under not optimized, this may drain your battery life more quickly. Okay, so app will no longer be restricted from using background battery. Okay, for your phone battery to last longer, it's best that you go for optimizing battery use. It tends to make your phone battery last longer. The next thing you're going to do is you click on done. Okay, so tap on done. So once you tap on done, your phone battery can last longer. As you guys can see, all these apps here, okay, as you guys can see, all these apps here, they are optimized for battery use. Okay, so if you want to make your phone last longer, make sure you optimize the battery use. Just follow the process, and that is how you can make your phone battery last longer. I hope this was helpful. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day, and bye for now.